Hello, Peanut Peeps. It's Peanut Chew at Peanut Chew Adventures. My tip today is just keep shooting and to expect the unexpected. This episode is about a gull, which is very common. I've shot many early on. That was to learn exposure, especially when the gull is white, and to learn to capture birds in flight, to know what shutter speed works, and to be able to fill the frame in the viewfinder quickly. But now I don't shoot gulls that much, since they are very common and people don't want to see them. They got a bad rap. But when this gull flew down with a fish, I told Marie to look and get video, and I was shooting. I went for it, and it paid off, because when I got back to the computer, I realized it looked like a baby shark. So my tip today is just keep shooting. You can always delete it later, but you can't get the shot back later, and to expect the unexpected. And besides that, it was fun shooting. That should be the real reason you go out and take pictures. So let's get to the video, and remember, hit that subscribe. On this day, it was early morning and it was cloudy. I was using the Nikon D6 along with the 600 f4, which set me up for good low light action. I was lucky I had my settings set for shooting night herons in action, so I had the shutter speed high enough to freeze the frame at 2000, the aperture wide open at f4. I was also using auto ISO, which was calculated to be 1000. I always use auto ISO when I'm shooting action since the subject may go in and out of varying lights. This allows me to get the correct exposure most of the time, and if not, I can usually correct in post. But I will go in depth on how I use auto ISO in another episode. Thank you for watching Peanut Chew Adventures. If you like what you saw, please hit subscribe. And if you didn't like it, also hit subscribe. I need everyone I can get. So until next time, thank you so much.